It's fine for the moment.
What are you doing?
I'm in the back of a truck.
What for?
Hey guys, you know what time it is. Remember to like and subscribe. Well, we decided we had a pool liner we weren't using. So we'll just put it in the back of the truck, fill it up with water. Guess you could call it a waterbed.
I said that.
I said it on camera.
First time you'll ever swim in a water bed.
Well, if you ain't careful, you can swim in a lot of water beds.
Well, you got that right.
And if you've ever paid attention to Nightmare on Elm Street, Johnny Depp did swim in a water bed. It's leaning so much on that side right there.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
It's a lot of water in it.
How many gallons do you think this is?
I don't know. Close to 500 probably, maybe.
Yeah, we could suck it out with a pump truck.
Yeah.
Oh.
What pump truck?
Our new pump truck.
A new one?
Yeah, well, it's new to us.
Wow. What is it?
It's Peterbilt.
What year?
2012, I think.
2011.
2011?
2011.
Oh, 2011 then. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, there goes some of the water. I think it's gonna rain here in a minute.
Yeah, it's been raining off and on all day today and yesterday. Oh, tell them about that rainstorm this morning.
Okay, so I woke up at 6:30 this morning because it was just thundering and lightning like crazy, like really loud. So we got up to come outside to check it out. We were outside for about 10 minutes. And in that 10 minutes, 2 transformers blew.
Yeah, just right over the trees right over there, it lit up. Why is your truck so muddy?
Got bored.
Got bored?
Yeah.
Oh.
Rain causes mud. Mud causes fun. But
Isn't that supposed to be rain grows whiskey? Or
yes.
whatever.
Rain makes corn.
Corn makes whiskey.
Yes.
Cornsky.
Cornsky. But we'll be heading out preferably Tuesday to go get the new truck. And I'm excited.
So, what about this truck?
What about this truck? Oh, the Toyota?
Yeah.
Yeah, Toyota's probably going to go bye-bye. We're going to trade it in for cheap. Jeep I don't have to make payments on. It's going to be a Jeep Wrangler. It's got one of those, it's like, what are they, like plastic windows?
Soft top.
Yeah, one of those. Anyways, I'm excited for that. I've never had a Jeep before.
Well, it's not a for sure thing yet.
Hopefully it is, though.
What are you doing?
I'm floating.
What is that on the bottom of your foot? It's like dog poo.
Ain't none on the bottom of my foot.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. I see the
It's
sun.
sprinkling a little bit.
I see the sun.
And we're in the back of the truck. How comfortable is the water?
Oh, it's nice. It's not too cold. It's not too warm. It feels great. But the thing is, though, is if we let it sit out in the sun, it's going to get hot.
Yeah, it will get hot in here. Yeah. But we can't because look what's right above it.
Oh, I know. I mean, if the rain came from this way. Or frame.
This is a nice shade tree, but it's the nastiest tree to have a pool under it.
I hate it.
Because it has those pink flurry things on it.
Pink flare things
Get
aren't an
everywhere.
issue. Pink flare things aren't an issue.
It is too in the beginning of the summer.
No, my biggest issue is the leaves. The leaves are the hardest to get out.
Well, yeah, that too.
And it's prickly pear season. I like prickly pears. I like prickly pear jelly. Prickly pear jelly and peanut butter sandwich.
You're talking about the red tops of cactuses, right?
Yes. Well, technically they're purple.
Well, they're red before they're ripe. Purple when they're ripe.
But peanut butter and prickly pear jelly sandwich.
I've never had that.
It is delicious.
I've ate cactus before.
Oh yeah, I've ate cactus too.
Cactus is kind of slimy.
A little bit.
In my opinion.
But peanut butter and prickly pear jelly sandwich, you'd never want to go back to jelly, like grape jelly.
Mm.
So I found out this new thing. Check it out. I can make whirlpools with my toes.
I don't know if I got it on camera or not, but it was
Maybe
facing that direction.
This is exciting though. I like this.
I've seen a bunch of people do it.
Oh, they used tarp though. We used a pull liner. A big
Yeah,
liner.
it's big.
That is what we need to do though.
What?
Take your black truck, move this somewhere. Take your black truck, put it on the other side. Drape the other part over, because this is a big pull liner. Drape the other part over and just have one big truck pull.
A double truck pull?
Yes. Oh gosh. So nice. Just sitting here, just relax. No splashing, no horseplay, just utter zen. Oh.
Who?
I don't know. People on the YouTubes. Apparently they don't like it if I don't. Apparently they don't like it if I don't point my toes.
I don't know how true that is, because I seen a video, I don't know, 6 months ago or so, and the lady was at the gas station, and she was wearing sandals, and some guy was pumping next to her and happened to see that, and told her he would give her $1,000 for a few pictures of her feet.
I'd take it. I would take it. $1,000 for a few pictures of my feet? Yes.
Yeah, but how true is that?
I don't know. But the point is I would gladly take pictures of my feet for $1,000. I would never. What is that? Grass. I would gladly take pictures of my feet for $1,000. You would be stupid if you wouldn't.
I think she turned them down.
Why?
I don't know.
That's $1,000 for a few pictures of your feet.
There's an ant on your towel. 2 ants on your towel. Why'd you leave it on the back like that? That's what you use to wipe down the deal.
Now how what? What?
Why'd you put your towel there? That's what you use to clean the deal off with. The underside of this tarp.
To stop the reflections. Sad reflections of my life. Nah, I just left it up there.
Huh?
I just taped it up there. I didn't want to do anything else with it.
Okay. Crazy. Yeah. How wonderful.
Can't do it with a whole hand though. It's gotta be the finger. Feels so magical when I do that.
So crazy.
I love it.
Ooh, don't bite the bubbles. People driving by. They're staring. They're staring.
Get out of my waterbed. Ah, don't sting me.
Those are everywhere.
Yeah. Stayed on there too long.
You know, this liner is like 10 years old.
Yeah. Still in great shape though. It's only got one hole.
One small little hole.
Yeah.
It was a wear or something where it was folded up. It's never been unraveled before, ever.
No. That's why it's so clean.
You got another one beside you.
Get out.
And I got another one on me.
Get it. Those things hurt.
Mm-hmm. Flying ants. Heard they coming from Australia.
Did you know that ladybugs
No.
are the biggest carriers of STDs in the bug world? Or so I heard. Oh, the butterfly! Bye-bye. So I went to work with swimsuit dude yesterday, and I saved 2 frogs. Named one Bob and the other one was Rob.
Ooh, you got 2 more in here.
Get out!
Oh, 4 more.
Get out. Get out.
One under your arm.
Oh, don't like them. They hurt. If they were nice bugs, then yeah, come for a swim.
Or a drink, or however you prefer.
Yeah, but they're not nice bugs.
No, flying ants are not nice.
Come on, get it, get it, get it. Oh, so close.
How many pounds is a gallon of water? Like 7.2 pounds or something like that?
I think so. There's a lot of pounds in this truck.
Yeah. Right there. I'm talking about your hair.
My hair's not that big. However, I do have an aunt and uncle. They are a walking Texas stereotype.
Why?
Because her hair, they're both old, but her hair is like up to here. And then my uncle has a mustache that curls like this, and he wears a 10-gallon hat.
I used to have a mustache that did that.
Oh, God.
Yep.
I think those are some of the ugliest things.
Oh, well, forget you. That's all right.
What would you do if I had a mustache like that? Although mine would come out to here. Make big circles. Well, I'd look like I was in a... Dr. Seuss book.
Did somebody call my name?
No, it's neighbor kids.
Oh. The neighbors.
The neighbors.
Everybody thinks we're funny around here. We got all this stuff for YouTube. You've been here for like 15 minutes and you ain't even got your hair wet.
Nope, not yet.
Oh, come on now.
Shut up.
It's locusts.
I don't like them.
I love that noise.
I hate that noise. Here I go.
Hey, wait. Set back up. Now just face plant your face in the water. Leave your hair like that is. Face plant. What's that? Did you spill something in your hair? Half of it's wet and half of it's dry. Oh, you've been working out.
So sweaty.
Oh.
See, they're so loud. Even the dogs don't like it.
No, someone walking down the road.
Oh, sorry.
He was staring at him a while ago when we was filling up the water.
Hopefully that thing doesn't poke a hole in it.
What?
That little sharp piece that we found.
This is clean water.
Uh-huh.
This is clean water straight out of the water hose.
Yes.
Can you open your eyes in the water now?
I don't know, I'm scared.
There shouldn't be no dirt in it or nothing.
I should go a little bit longer than a fish. It to hurt.
Why?
I don't know.
Hey! Look!
You hush your mouth.
I'll splash you.
I don't think they'll care.
Dixie won't. She loves the water. Ooh, you just wiped a big old snot booger in your hair.
No, I did not.
It's big and green. Look, it's right there.
You're such a liar.
Look, it's right there.
You're such a liar.
That's a big slimy green booger.